Professor Sandra Castillo teaches social science and is an accomplished poet. Castillo has authored 3 volumes of poetry and has been published in numerous literary journals, such as the Connecticut Review. She has also received several grants, including the National Endowment for the Humanities, which have contributed directly to innovative courses for MDC students.
Teaching is like learning. It's not a spectator sport. You have to actually become engaged. And the more that I learn as a scholar, as an academic, the easier it is for me to generate activities that will also enable my students to become engaged.
Professor Castillo is perfectionistic in many ways. When she gets involved with a topic, she really looks at every last detail of what topic she's addressing into her curriculum. So she's really industrious in every way.
Professor Castillo has motivated me throughout 2 semesters to pursue my career as not only a neuroscientist but also as a physicist, and giving me lots of advice along the way.
So my approach to teaching is you need to actually engage with the students, but you also need to have done your homework, so to speak, to create and generate activities that will facilitate engagement and success and retention.
She has this willingness to reach for the stars. She will go and find contacts and find activities and speakers and bring them back to our students. They've just been wonderful, and it's been wonderful that she's done that for us.
Her summer breaks, she goes to different universities and takes classes. She told us one time that she was studying at Harvard over one summer. She just takes classes for fun over the summer, and that's something that I think is very important. So no matter how old you are, just keep on learning.
I would describe Professor Castillo's teaching style as engaging.
Engaging. From the moment she walks into the room, you know that she has arrived.
She completely immerses herself in what she learns, and she brings it back to her students.
She just really looks out for her students.
Overall, very enjoyable.
I will always remember about Professor Castillo how inspirational she is whenever she walks into class, and how she's always inspired to teach.
I became an educator, I think, because I sometimes think the profession chooses you. And in a lot of ways, I think I was always inching my way towards being an educator. It's about doing for others what people did for me. I am a product of this institution, and I find that there were a lot of people along the way that enabled me to become the person that I am, and I just want to do that for other people.